College-bound teens who set up or participate in blood drives have a new chance for financial help from the Red Cross. It announced the Barbara Landis Blood Services High School Scholarship Endowment today. The award is named for a woman who began a lifelong relationship with the Red Cross as a cadet nurse during World War II.
The fact that our family can give to the future of the Red Cross through these scholarships, we are just grateful that we can do that in honor of our mother.
Connie Donovan is Barbara's daughter, and like her father, is on the Red Cross board. Everything dates back to the First World War when her grandfather received Red Cross aid while serving in Europe.
The American Red Cross has always been known for investing in saving lives, and now they're investing in college students and their future as they begin the Barbara Landis Scholarship. This fund was made to honor Mrs. Landis, who was a lifelong supporter of the American Red Cross from Mid-Michigan. She also was a volunteer as an Army nurse during World War II. This program will be offered to students in Mid-Michigan who attend Michigan high schools that schedule Red Cross blood drives throughout the year.
High school students provide an important source of blood in our communities, so this will hopefully motivate more high school students to get involved in blood drives, knowing that they could receive a scholarship based on their participation in a blood drive in their high school.
And Jim Flickenbaugh, the CEO of the Great Lakes Blood Services, stated that not only does it reward our high school donors, it also helps assist the Red Cross in making sure that life-saving blood is available when it's needed.